Hi, welcome to Naresh Technologies. In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between predefined exception and user defined exception. Basically, as you must know, you may have learnt in the previous videos as well, that exception is a runtime error or warning condition in PL/SQL program, and it is basically used to handle a situation when a program violates a defined rule. Now, as a database management system, Oracle has hundreds of predefined exceptions, and all those predefined exceptions, they are used in some or the other programs. Now, as Oracle has almost all those exceptions, and in that case, as a programmer, what are the situations or when do you need to create your own exceptions? See, basically the difference between predefined exception and user defined exception is that predefined exceptions, they are built in the Oracle server and they are readily available, you just need to use them in your exception block. On the other hand, user defined exceptions are defined by the programmer. They are defined, they are raised as well as they are handled as the programmer itself throughout the PL/SQL program. Now, as Oracle has hundreds of predefined exceptions, as a programmer, do you need to create any user defined exception? We shall discuss that point. Now, basically predefined exception, when you are using predefined exception, for the exception handling purpose you only need to work in the exception block. On the other hand, when you have your user defined exception, for user defined exception you have to work in the begin block, in the declare block, in the exception block. Moreover, you yourself have to declare an exception, raise an exception, handle that exception, as well as you need to do all those things about the exception when you deal with user defined exception. Now, when do you need to use predefined exception and when do you need to use user defined exception? See friends, basically you can take it as a general rule that for all technical purposes or technical reasons which may occur in your program, you should always go for predefined exception, and Oracle has a very strong mechanism to handle those predefined exceptions as far as there are technical reasons because of which an exception is occurring in your program. Say for example, the common predefined exceptions include value error. Okay. Now, value error is an exception when, say for example, you expect your user to enter a numeric character, but instead of that the user enters a non-numeric character, or the user enters characters more than the defined size of that particular variable. In that case, value error exception is likely to occur, and it is always good you use a predefined value error exception for that. Now, incompatible data type or exceeding value, these are all technical reasons, and for that you will naturally use predefined exception. But to implement a certain business rule, you need to create your own exception, and those exceptions will be called as user defined exceptions. Say for example, you want to accept, you want your user to enter, say for their Indian phone number. So, Indian phone number as of now has 10 digits, and you want to validate that the phone number should be of 10 digits, neither more nor less than that. In that case, you need to go for user defined exception. For that, you will not have any predefined exception available there. So, as a general rule, for technical reasons go for predefined exception, and to implement a business rule go for user defined exception. That is little about the difference between these two exceptions. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more such videos, please visit Naresh Technologies on youtube.com. Thank you.